Are you over 60 and waking up with weak or stiff muscles? Do you feel like you're losing strength overnight, no matter how well you eat during the day? Hi, I'm here with Gentle Wellness, where we believe that small daily choices can lead to big improvements, especially for seniors. Today, I'll show you 8 simple bedtime foods that can stop nighttime muscle loss fast and help you wake up feeling stronger, not sore. And the best part? You don't need any expensive supplements or complicated diets. Just smart, nourishing foods that work while you sleep. Let's start with the first one, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is full of casein protein, which digests slowly and feeds your muscles throughout the night. Just half a cup before bed can help your body rebuild and maintain muscle mass while you rest. Add a few slices of banana on top for potassium and a touch of natural sweetness. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is another excellent choice. It's packed with protein, especially casein, like cottage cheese. It also gives your body calcium, which supports muscle contraction and relaxation. For a bonus, stir in a few berries. They're high in antioxidants, which help reduce muscle inflammation. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are one of the most complete sources of protein out there. A hard-boiled egg before bed gives your body essential amino acids, especially leucine, which directly supports muscle repair and growth. It's light, easy to digest, and perfect for nighttime nourishment. Almonds. Almonds may be small, but they pack a big punch. They contain magnesium, which helps relax your muscles and prevent nighttime cramps. They also have healthy fats and protein to keep your body in repair mode through the night. A small handful, about 8 to 10 almonds, is enough. Turkey slices. Turkey is rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps you sleep better, and high-quality protein to rebuild your muscles. A few slices rolled with a bit of lettuce or wrapped in a whole grain tortilla can be a light, satisfying snack before bed. Kiwi. Here's a surprising one, kiwi. Not only does it help improve sleep quality thanks to its natural serotonin content, but it also gives you vitamin C and potassium, both crucial for maintaining muscle tissue and reducing soreness. Chia seeds and milk. A spoon of chia seeds soaked in warm milk creates a bedtime treat rich in protein, omega-3s, and fiber. Chia expands in your stomach, releasing nutrients slowly as you sleep. The calcium from milk and plant-based protein from chia together support stronger muscles. Peanut butter on whole grain bread. Whole grain bread gives you slow-burning carbs, and peanut butter provides healthy fats and protein. Together, they help keep your muscles fueled overnight and prevent your body from breaking down muscle for energy while you sleep. Just one slice is enough. Don't overdo it. Now, why is nighttime muscle loss such a big concern for seniors? As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. This process can begin as early as your 50s and speeds up in your 60s and beyond. But here's something many don't realize. A large part of this muscle breakdown actually happens at night while we sleep. Why? Because during the night, especially if we go to bed without proper nutrition, our body doesn't have enough fuel. So instead of repairing and rebuilding muscle, it may start breaking it down to use as energy. That's why what you eat before bed matters more than you think. Adding these 8 foods into your nightly routine can help your muscles stay strong, reduce cramping, improve your sleep, and support better balance and mobility over time. Now, let's put it into practice. What does a simple nighttime routine look like for muscle health? First, aim to eat your last small meal or snack about 60 to 90 minutes before bed. This gives your body time to digest without disturbing your sleep. Second, combine at least one protein-rich food and one with healthy fats or complex carbs. For example, a hard-boiled egg with half a banana, Greek yogurt with a few almonds, whole grain toast with peanut butter, and a few slices of kiwi. It's not about eating more, it's about eating smarter. And now, let's talk about hydration. Dehydration can make nighttime muscle loss and cramps even worse. Seniors often don't feel as thirsty, but your muscles still need water to function and repair. Try to sip water throughout the day and have a small glass, just half a cup, about 30 minutes before bed. Don't overdo it, especially if nighttime trips to the bathroom are a concern, but a little hydration goes a long way. Also, Make sure you're moving during the day. Even light exercises like walking, stretching, or gentle yoga can signal your body to maintain muscle. Your muscles work on a use it or lose it system, so small, regular movement matters. And one final tip: consistency. The power of these foods and habits comes with daily use. One night of eating cottage cheese won't build muscle, but doing it every night for weeks or months, that's where the magic happens. So tonight, as you wind down, remember, your muscles are still working even while you sleep. Give them the fuel they need to stay strong, keep you mobile, and help you enjoy the life you love. You've got this. And here at Gentle Wellness, we're here every step of the way. Good night and good health.